Good morning. Welcome to a semi-productive day in my life. It's 9:57. I just woke up because it's Saturday and I wanted to sleep in and get ready. Goodness, it's 10:11 and I'm still in bed. So we're gonna get ready now. Right now. Oh god. Okay.
Please do not get me
I'll try not to. She's brushing her teeth right now, so I guess I'll wait until she's done. No. Musty, dusty. Oh yeah, there was a debate competition today that we did not attend due to our lack of preparation and want to do it. Brush your teeth, kids. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's currently 12:17. We finished the meeting and we did a couple of
Wait, can
things.
you take this clip again without me in it, please?
Why? I'm keeping this in. Basically we finished the meeting and I did a couple tasks for Eunoia and now we have to get ready.
Tasks!
It's literally 12:17. I'm still in my pajamas. Alright, let's go get ready. We look like eggs. Okay, I finally sat everything up. Don't mind the mess in the back. I'm just gonna get ready and
Yeah, that actually happened. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But there's a
on the back of my hand. I bet you would like foundation.
What?
A lot of doofuses. Money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. And money. Oh, so hey, let's be friends.
Don't you just see how this one is?
Because that can make the bad guys good for a weekend.
Grace comes back. Yeah. Like, hey.
Can you check my brush? You know what I remember Tangled from? Hey. So Jianna broke my contour palette. Baby, baby, baby. Alright, this is what's gonna make you look like a giraffe. Pizza, go, go. Just kidding. Oh. That's literally.
What do you mean?
Okay.
You're what?
All of the things for Chinese. Okay, so I'm in Chinese. And yeah, like that's cool. And all of the reading comprehensions describing people are always like, oh yeah, their eyes are big and their noses are tall and they have a not big or not small mouth. And I'm like, how do you want me to feel about that? First love.
Non-Asians can have nothing. If I was you. If just like cut me out.
Isn't that so nice? Curly pearly. I still need to change. And Jianna is having a existential crisis about what to do with her hair.
Yep. It's a mess.
So we finally got ready to go wherever we're going. This is my outfit. I'm wearing Gianna's crew neck, a turtleneck underneath because I don't know, the layering's been in. Wearing mom jeans. And then I'm wearing a turtle necklace. Turtle necklace with a turtleneck. Oh, and then I just have these little ones in. I'll show you Gianna's outfit later because we filmed it already and then I deleted it because it was like too long. Okay, we'll see you later. Give us an OOTD.
Sweater. I basically look like Halloween, as I said, except with like autumn now because I added the green jacket.
In the car. I still don't know where we're going. Oh, just kidding. We're going to a car wash. Say hi, Jianna.
Oh, you can like vlog that.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, exciting. Okay. Well,
dang, I really like glanced at myself in the camera and I got shocked because I was like, dang, I look ugly.
no, she mean dang. I look pretty. That's what she meant. That's what she meant. We all know.
Miraloma GS.
We're in the Jeep. That's like kind of broken, but it's okay. Okay, bye. Take a look, it's in a book. You know where we are? Target!
Sweatpants. Ooh,
I thought that's cute.
I saw that and I was like,
Oh look, it's the sweater I have.
Coca-Cola.
Gianna bought that for me for my birthday.
Yeah, I didn't know if you were... I'm gonna be...
Look, it's the sweater you have.
Yeah,
it's the
but in
sweater
a
you're
different
wearing.
color. You know, there was a point where I wanted overalls, and there was a point where I wanted a leather jacket. I'm over it.
I feel like we've grown from that.
No, I still want a
I was just kidding.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Gianna. Guys, Christmas is here. The CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and now we have to get a contour palette. So we're at the park now.
We're gonna take a walk.
Yeah. Say hello.
Nice. Hi.
Hello. We've returned from outside. And I have a tiny Target haul for you.
Tiny Target time.
The first thing that I got is the 16-hour camo concealer from e.l.f. Yeah. And I'll test this out later.
The second thing we got was this CeraVe Daily
yeah, you can share that.
Lotion. No, I don't want to be in this one.
You say Gianna. The second thing that we got is this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. We ran out of the lotion that we use that's usually from like Nature Republic. And so we got this because Hiram recommended it and I was like, it's there, why not? Let's try it out. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. And then I got this Wet n Wild bronzer. It's very shimmery. Like the bronzer inside is very shimmery. Because I'm probably just gonna use like my eyeshadow for contour until I get like a better contour palette. But yeah, I got that one. And that's because again, and Gianna broke my other contour palette. So that's my tiny Target haul. I also bought my mom's birthday gift because we were there and I saw a sweater and I was like, that's cute. So I got that too. So that's my tiny Target haul. I have to clean my room and I'm going to clean my closet today, do my laundry, and then do my physics homework and then work on debate. You know what I shouldn't do right now? Take a nap. But I think I'm going to do it. It's currently 5:21, so I'll probably take a nap until 6 and then start working.
So y'all update, Janelle literally just took a nap and her alarm was going off for 3 minutes. 3 whole minutes, because instead of setting an alarm to something that's really annoying and will wake her up, she set it to something that sounds like a lullaby. So she literally just slept through the entire thing. Let me show you her right now. Oh, I took a picture. Whoops. How do I flip? Can I even flip? No. This is her. She better wake up right now so that she can finish the rest of the vlog.
Wait, you know what? First of all, I look like a hot mess. Second of all, it's currently 9:41, meaning that I slept like billions of hours. But it's okay, because sometimes you just need to get your sleep, and that's exactly what I needed to do, apparently. I'm going to get ready to go to bed, and then we'll figure our way out, because I actually need to do stuff today instead of just like sleeping, because I've been doing that for like 4 hours. You should watch Netflix. I have the account. You want to see? Sure. Come here. Face is washed. It looks so bad. That's okay. We don't talk about it. I'm using this. I don't honestly know if any of these products would work. But I just do. I don't not do them. I use them anyway. I forgot to brush my teeth. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. I'm back. Right. So maybe I'm not back. Okay. So I'm gonna switch up my like skincare because I got this today and I kind of want to try using it. For the past couple of months, I've just been using this. It's just aloe vera. I'm just gonna try using this daily moisturizing lotion. Okay. Oh wow, that's super lightweight. Okay, hopefully I don't break out because that would be kind of unfortunate. So we just use this lip balm. I literally forgot to take a shower today. I'll shower tomorrow morning. Or I can just shower right now. No, mommy.
Soft. You see, like, lots of stations. Is there a rocket ship? I don't know.
I've showered. It is currently 1:23 a.m. We just watched a Christmas movie called Christmas. What is it called? I don't remember what it's called. It's on Netflix, but yeah, Christmas Drop Off.
It was like
Drop Off.
Operation Gratitude. No.
Operation Christmas Drop
Christmas
Off.
Drop.
Something like that.
And it was kind of horrible. So don't
Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you made it to the end, give it a like. I know it was not productive at all, like I planned it to be, but you know what? Sometimes it'd be like that. So yes, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that
button.
notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below your favorite emoji. Okay.
No, right there.
Oh yeah, and you're a star.
Oh
Okay,
yeah, by the way,
bye.
you're a star.